Hello and welcome to the Greenworks Garage. In this video, we will be going over the unboxing and assembly process for your new Greenworks product. We will cover the items that come in the box along with any steps necessary for assembly. As always, we would like to thank you for your purchase and for joining the Greenworks family. Open up the box and remove all the parts inside. Please be sure to read the included documentation before assembling and using your trimmer. Remove the screws from the trimmer head with a supplied hex wrench. Put the guard onto the trimmer head. Align the screw holes on the guard with the screw holes on the trimmer head. Tighten the screws. Assemble the shaft by loosening the screw on the coupler. Push in the release button on the lower shaft. Align the release button with the positioning hole and slide the two shafts together. Turn the lower shaft until the button locks into the positioning hole. Tighten the screw with the hex wrench. Now, remove the knob from the handle. Attach the auxiliary handle and lower clamp on the shaft. Set the auxiliary handle in a comfortable position. Put the bolt through the holes and tighten the auxiliary handle with the knob. If you are following along during the assembly process, your new Greenworks product is now ready for use. For more details and safety information, please read the owner's manual provided. If you have any other questions about this product or other Greenworks tools, be sure to check us out on our website, greenworkstools.com.